Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to upload an app on Amazon Developer App Store. So let's get started. Once you go there, just go to dashboard. It's like you can see this here as some app I've just uploaded recently. So you go to create, it's Android, not mobile, or web and mobile application. You see I've already started, but by the way, you see the same process. You just go to add new app, create. Here you put your title, your name, everything that it requires, and then you click save. So but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take you to the app that I started and I didn't complete. Word challenge like so. And then here you have general information. You put all the general information. So let me edit. Word challenge. SKU is the app, is the name which represent your app. So you have here the day to publish. Yeah, you have here your category, your name, your category, game, and so on. Casual. You have your customer support email address, your mobile number. You click save. And then you move to availability and pricing. Availability and pricing. You have free. If it's not free, let me click edit. If it's not free, you give pay. From there you select some few things like currency, USA, Amazon.com, blah blah blah. So by mine is free, so I'm not gonna do that. And then the estimated date for your app to be published. So yeah, I'm gonna click save and let's continue. And next thing we have description. It's just almost the same thing with Android. Google Play Store. You have your title, short description and long description. This one you have a lot of word to write. If you're that kind of person who love literature writing, you can write a lot here. So and then here product feature bullet. Just write what is your game is. World game, world challenge is a good game, blah blah, nice game, best game, and you put your keyword. You will click save, and then we'll move to image and multimedia. So yeah, let's start with icon. And the icon here is let me say word challenge. So let's start with the icon. First one is 114 times. That is the one. You put the second one 512 512, and the next one is 1024. You go to the next one 1024. You upload, and they come to your screenshot. So for the screenshot, these are my screenshot. Yeah, you have 3 minimum, maximum 10. So I just upload only 3. So each place you don't need to do anything. You just need to allow it like that. You click save like so. And content rating. I just click none. Here is your app directed at kid under the age 13. I'll say no, but if yours is that, you can click yes. And here is privacy. So let me get my privacy. Privacy policy. Copy. You head back there. You place privacy. click save. Come on, do fast. Everything is now safe. So go to APK file, where you upload. You select your language. I'm not gonna choose my English. Here I certify this app may be imported to and exported from the United States and all over country region in which Amazon operate. Yes, bam, it's okay, like so. Our APK file is here uploading. Come on, please do fast, don't waste the time. Okay, 100% is almost done. Validating. Everything is done. Say this is word challenge, replace. You can now replace, or you can edit. Yeah, Amazon, apply Amazon DRM. Yes, and then from there you click saved. You are done. One more step is still remaining. So all the 5 steps are complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you just click submit. Wait for a second. Wow, app submission successful. The app submission is estimated to be approved 0 blah 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 December 10. So that is the time you have to validate your app, do 1 or 2 things. After that, they will send you an image to show that your app have been approved. Thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with anyone. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button for more inspiration video every week. Until then, see you guys.